Good morning. Today is February the 23rd. It's currently 8:58 in the morning. Just getting in from work. So let's take a look at the market here. See what it's been doing. Obviously, we're in a downtrend.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Looks like we had a low volume node here. But the market has a ways to go before it gets back up to that. And we also have this selling zone. It's been respected now a couple times. So my guess would be that the market is going to continue to push down. And this is just a bit of a break. We'll just have to wait and see what happens though. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and log into the trade room, and I'll be back with you guys on the first print. Alright guys, we just got filled on this trade. Typically I wouldn't have taken this trade
Target filled.
because we have this selling low volume node, but as you guys know, I'm attempting to take everything as it comes to me, so that's what I'm going to do. And we have the high volume node right here, so we're going to see if the market can get through it. This might be a little bit of a issue for us right here.
Target filled.
Beautiful. If we do reverse here, I wanted to make sure that we were able to take something off at that level. And we can still leave this one up here. Alright, right now my stop is at, or my break-even point is 49.23. We'll leave it here, just see what happens. I do want to give it some room to be able to bounce back and continue pushing up. So I might push it to right here. I think that's a good point. It gives it a little room. I'm only risking 3 ticks there. Alright, nothing to stop it here on the 2-minute chart.
CL scalp trade approaching.
See if we get a reversal here or not. If we can get a decisive close on the other side of this high volume node, I feel a lot better about this.
CL scalp trade approaching.
So let's see if we can get a nice green bar here. Market tried to come down, didn't do so. So we might be pushing up now. I'm gonna see us make a new high, new higher high. Come on, let's get past this level.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Wasn't able to make a new high here, so that's a little bit concerning to me, so I'm just going to let it take me out at break even. It might continue to push up, might not, but we'll see.
Stop filled.
There it is, stop filled. As you guys can see, that's why I moved my second down a little bit, my second profit target. I wanted to make sure we'd be able to at least get that little bit of profit in case the market
CL scalp trade approaching.
reacted that way to the high volume node. We'll see if it breaks it this time. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it here. We're at 6 minutes. Nice trade. And I'll be back with you guys on the next print. Alright guys, just got filled. We've had a really hard time pushing through this high volume node, as you guys have seen. So I'm not going to take too big of a chance here.
Target filled.
I'm not really going to give this a lot of room. I'm not giving this a lot of room at all, folks. And the reason being, this high volume node is here. And even though it did push through it, I'm not sure if it's going to have enough gusto to actually decisively push through it. And then we have this low volume node here. We'll see if the market's able to push through that as well. But as you guys can see, the market tried once, twice, 3 times, 4 times to break through this level, and it wasn't able to. So it's good that it finally was. If this wasn't here, I would have obviously managed this a bit differently.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Alright, says prepare for scalp long. I'm hoping we just have this little tiny retrace right here and the market continues pushing up. We'll see what it gives us here.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Oh, that is beautiful. Alright, so we have a low volume node right here. Hopefully the market will respect that and turn around.
Stop filled.
Nope. And it looks like it might have respected it. I just maybe should have moved my stop down to a little bit further. Yep. So it did bounce off of it. No worries. We were able to make some profit on this trade. This was definitely one that I was hesitant about taking, so
CL scalp trade approaching.
I'm actually happy that I'm doing better with taking every trade as it comes. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it and continue watching to see what this move is going to do here. I'll be back with you guys on the next print. Missed this trade, guys. Let me go ahead and cancel that.
Order cancelled.
That was just too quick to get in on. I'd have to already be in the trade. I mean, this one came up and then just popped up pretty quickly. If we hadn't have hit that first take profit, I would have left my order in, but we did, so I had to close it out. Alright, we're already at 10 minutes. Shoot. If I would have moved my stop a little bit below the high volume node, I'd still be in this trade right now. Alright, I'll pause it and be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we have about 5 minutes left. It's 9:55 right now. As you can see, we were able to break down to this buy zone here. Market's kind of bouncing off of it. Hopefully we'll get a sell print. We'll see what happens here. I think we might be getting a reversal here pretty soon. I'm looking at the 2 minute, and right here at 49.22 we have this little sell zone. So right around this level, and I'm hoping the market stops here. On that next bar, hopefully we'll get a red one and be able to take a scalp short. We should have plenty of room before we get back to this buying zone to take our first and possibly second
CL scalp trade approaching.
targets. Just have to be patient and see what happens here. We also have this naked low volume node right here. Well, you can definitely see the market is stuttering here. Not sure if it's going to break through or if it's going to reverse here. Alright, it's almost 10 o'clock. If we don't get a reversal here, I'll go ahead and shut this down and upload it for you guys.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Alright, looks like the market's going to continue pushing up. Not sure how far or if it's just going to break this level. Let me go ahead and
CL scalp trade approaching.
shut this down here. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not a bad day. Made 350 today.